Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete a server on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord app on your PC. If you don't have it, you can download it from the web and log into your Discord account. After that, you must keep in note that you must own the server in order for you to delete it. Go ahead and click on the server which you own and want to delete. Click on the server settings which is over here and click on server settings once again. So all you need to do is click on the server, click on its drop down menu over here and click on server settings. Then what you need to do is go to the server. So after you're in the server, scroll a bit down. On the left panel you can see delete server. Go ahead and click on it and you must enter the server name. So let's go ahead and enter the name one by one. Make sure it is correct, otherwise you cannot delete the channel or the server. So you can see that after you write down the server name, click on delete server and there you go. You have just deleted a server. If you want me to do it again, I'm going to show it to you. So go ahead and click on the server you want, click on the drop down menu and go to server settings. Then on the left hand side, if you scroll, you can see the delete server. Go ahead and click on it and what you need to do is write down the server name over here. After you write down the server name, go ahead and click delete server. Wait for a while and the server will be deleted. So as you can see, I have just deleted 2 servers. It's quite easy and a time saving as well. I hope this video about how you can delete your Discord server was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.